Mama duck called quack, quack, come back came four with a happy hum. Four little ducklings chased a breeze, dancing softly through the trees. Mama duck called quack, quack, come back came three with a happy hum. Three little ducklings skipped in line, looking for shells so bright and fine. Mama duck called quack, quack, come back came two with a happy hum. Two little ducklings swam around, splashing gently without a sound. Mama duck called quack, quack, come back came one with a happy hum. One little duckling paddled slow, watching little ripples grow. Mama duck called quack, quack, come back came one with a happy hum. Soon all the ducklings gathered near, flapping wings with joyful cheer. Mama ducks cried quack, quack, hooray!
Happy quacking, chirp, chirp, too.
They played together the rest of the day.